Na Makaha sons of Ni'ihaw.
Wow.
Through most of my adult life, they have been the background music for the video in my head, and so and they are being honored now. So, homaka kay video,
Ay, ho'olele vali kay Vikyo.
Okay, please enjoy.
The story of the Makaha sons of Ni'ihaw begins in 1974, when Henry Skippy Kamakawiwo'ole III and his younger brother Israel moved from the Kaimuki district of Oahu to the Waianae coast. Inspired by the music of the Sons of Hawaii, Sunday Manoa, and Gabi Pahinui, the Kamakawiwo'ole brothers formed a musical group with friends they met in their new home, all 16 to 21 years of age. Liking the name of a previous combo of the area, the Makaha Sons, they added the reference to Ni'ihaw to acknowledge the heritage of the Kamakawiwo'ole family. On February 22, 1976, the Makaha sons of Ni'ihaw got their first professional gig. Louis Moon Kawakahi, Jerome K. Koko, Sam Gray, and Skippy and Israel Kamakawiwo'ole played Sundays from 3 to 8 p.m. at Yoko's nightclub in Kapahulu. Soon the boys were signed by Bill Murata and recorded their first LP on the Poki label, No Cristo. Skippy played 6-string guitar, Israel played baritone ukulele, Moon played 6-string tenor ukulele, Jerome played 12-string guitar, and Sam played Pakini washtub bass. A second album would soon follow. Moon switched to an 8-string tenor ukulele, and a young steel guitarist, Elmer Sonny Lim Jr. from Hawaii, was added, and the group's roster began to further evolve. Jerome Koko and Sam Gray resigned and were replaced by Abraham Nahulu on acoustic bass and Melvin Amina on 12-string guitar. Sonny Lim left the group and the steel guitar behind to focus on his guitar work. The group became a family affair. Moon was related to the Kamakawiwo'oles by marriage. Amina was their cousin. But Skippy's health began to decline. It was Moon who decided the group would go on when Skippy died of weight-related causes in 1982. And it was Moon who made a fateful phone call after Mel dropped out of sight the week Skippy died. The Makaha sons of Ni'ihaw had previously committed to play at the ranch house in Ainahaina. Iz was ready to work, but he and Moon couldn't play the room as a duo. They needed Mel, and Mel couldn't be found. If Mel couldn't be located, they would need to make other arrangements. Moon called Jerome Koko and his brother John Koko. The new Makaha sons of Ni'ihaw took almost a year off to rehearse and develop their new sound. A critically acclaimed return engagement at the ranch house marked their return to public scrutiny. The Makaha sons of Ni'ihaw reigned as one of the top groups in Hawaiian music for the next decade. A major milestone came when Iz quit the group in May of 1993. Except for the personal cost, the nasty rupture turned out to be a win-win situation. Iz struck a deal with John DeMello, and at the time of his death on June 26, 1997, he had become one of the biggest male vocalists in the history of Hawaiian music since Don Ho. Moon, John, and Jerome conceded the tagline of Ni'ihaw to Iz and continued singing traditional Hawaiian language music as the Makaha sons. Iz had inherited the role of Master of Ceremonies when Skippy died. Jerome now inherited the position. He turned out to be an accomplished announcer and a comedian in his own right. Numerous recordings and countless tours of Japan and the U.S. mainland were capped with an appearance at Carnegie Hall. Bassist John Koko lost his battle with heart disease on June 25, 2012. However, the 4-decade legacy of the Makaha sons will continue to grow as legends in Hawaiian music. Moon and Jerome will welcome guest bass players to carry on their musical tradition for fans of Hawaiian music. Ladies and gentlemen, 2012 inductees of the Hawaiian Music Hall of Fame, the Makaha sons of Ni'ihaw.
Check 2. Ladies and gentlemen, for over 30 years,
The Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau have been producing music that is distinctive, both sophisticated and rural, Hawaiian as well as contemporary, traditional as well as new. It is our pleasure at the Hawaiian Music Hall of Fame to introduce and induct the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau. Moon Kaukahi, Jerome Coco, Mel Amina, Elmer Kohala Lim. I also believe Sam Gray is here from the first album. Brother Sam here. Posthumously, Skippy Kamakawiwo'ole, Israel Kamakawiwo'ole.
They're back there.
They're back there too. John Coco. And Abraham Nahulu was not able to make it this afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to take a photo of our men with their certificates, shoot it fast.
One, two.
Oops. Sam G. There's Sam. Sam. Come. Sam Gray. Is that you? Marlene kamakawiwo'ole. Delwa kamakawiwo'ole.
Shadow.
Where's John's wife?
This is Uncle John's boy.
John's son.
As you can tell, it's a family thing.
This is John's son. John Coco's son.
This is Shadow Coco, John's son. Marlene Kamakawiwo'ole. Lay and Sam Gray. Ladies and gentlemen, the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau.
Okay. Just before we came on stage, we had a very quick run-through of the songs that we're about to do for you this evening. And while doing so, we had some very interesting memories in the studio. Some of them kind of hilarious, like when Israel passed out under the piano while doing this song. Anyway.
We had the hardest time trying to finish up doing the recording for this song, because always at the end, we always hear this snoring. We couldn't figure it out. Not till half an hour later, we found that Israel was actually sleeping under the piano. We finally did it.
Yes. Here we go, okay.
Aloha kahilei, aloha liluala, lana mahi e. Oke o te kaulana, oke o uala, o kaihi kapu. Aloha kahilei, aloha liluala, lana mahi e. Oke o ne kaulana, oke o uala, me kaihi kapu. Kapu kapu na makaha o ka opua, ke ike apu. Kana pai kauna, o ka waoala, mahi pua. Kapu kapu na makaha o ka opua, ke ike apu. Kana pai kauna, o ka waoala, mahi pua. Haina kole le huari oha, lehi amai, kawanohi o kala. mala Kau keha keha Haina kole le huari ola Leia mai Kanohi o kala Mala 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 Kau keha keha Haina kole le huari ola Leia mai Kanohi o kala Mala 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 Kau keha keha Where is my love? Come on, please answer me. Come on, Oh, here I am. Come on, here in this paradise. Come on, come on, here is this of heaven. Here in this Please come to me, come along here, when nights are come along you can hear the voice of Pukaminui. He beckons you, come along here. We'll be together again. Come along, come along. You hear the sound of his voice. Here in this Mahal.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think if you give them a round of applause, maybe we can convince them to do one more. The Makaha Sons of Niihau and their entire ohana.
Okay, we're going to feature Israel Kamakawiwo'ole's wife, and also Lealoa, married to Skippy Kamakawiwo'ole. You probably heard this tune. See if you remember the tune.
My yellow ginger ale reveals the center day, enchanting moments with you make me love you. Ipuia e te auna una O hini ka mana o ia oe E kuhei a You're as lovely as can be, my yellow ginger lady. My heart is yearning for you, my love of
Mahal!
Wow! Upua e kahali aloha ia. Makaha Sons of Niihau.